Good morning, ma'am. I'm recently have you together with Chairman J. Martinez. Today, we're about to discuss the Newton's law of motion. Background: Sir Isaac Newton, an English scientist and mathematician, famous for his discovery of the law of gravity, also discovered the three laws of motion. Newton's law of motion. Newton's first law. Objects in the motion tend to stay in motion, and objects at rest tend to stay at rest unless acted upon by a balanced force. So, sabi dito, if yung object ay in motion, magsistay siya in motion. And if ito ay naka-rest, magsistay siya at rest unless lang may unbalanced force na mangyari. So, Newton's first law, an object at rest tend to stay at rest. So, example nito ay, kunwari, yung TV, nakalagay lang siya sa isang place. Hindi siya gagalaw hanggat walang external force na maglilipat dito. Kunwari, nilipat ng dalawang tao yung TV, tsaka lang siya magkakaroon ng motion. So, Newton's law, first law, is also called the law of inertia. So, what is inertia? Inertia is the tendency of an object to resist change in its state of motion. The first law states that all objects have inertia. The more mass an object has, the more inertia it has, and the harder it is to change its motion. So, kung gaano kadami yung mass sa isang object, ganun din yung inertia. Example, on your way to school, a bag flies into your windshield. Since the bag is so small, it has very little inertia and exert a very small force at your car. So small that you don't even feel it. So yung bag, maliit lang siya. So maliit lang din yung inertia niya. So pag tumama siya dun sa car, konting force lang, kahit konting force lang siya at hindi mo siya mararamdaman gawa ng maliit ang inertia niya.
Newton's second law of motion states that F is equal to m times a, or net force is equal to mass times acceleration. Now, what does acceleration mean? It is a measurement of how quickly an object is changing speed. O ito ay isang sukat kung gaano kabilis nagbabago ang bilis ng isang bagay. Isa sa halimbawa nito kapag tumatawid ka sa kalsada at biglang nagpreno ang sasakyan. Ito ay nagpapakita ng pag-accelerate kasi biglang nagbago ang bilis ng sasakyan mula sa mabilis papunta sa mabagal. What does force is equal to mass times acceleration mean? Force is directly proportional to mass and acceleration. Imagine a ball of a certain mass moving at a certain acceleration. This ball has a certain force. So, sinasabi dito na ang force daw ay directly proportional sa mass at acceleration. Ibig sabihin, kapag tumaas ang mass and acceleration, mataas din yung value ng force natin. And vice versa. Now imagine we make the ball twice as big, double the mass but keep the acceleration constant. So halimbawa, meron tayong bola na doble yung laki at doble din yung bigat, but keep the acceleration constant. So, ibig sabihin, ang bagong bola ay may force na 2 beses ng luma. Now imagine the original ball moving at twice the original acceleration. F is equal to ma says that the ball will again have twice the force of the ball at the original acceleration. What does F is equal to m times a say? F is equal to m times a basically means that the force of an object comes from its mass and its acceleration. So, yung puwersa ng isang bagay ay mula sa kanyang bigat at kanyang bilis. If you double the mass, you double the force. If you double the acceleration, you double the force. Doubling the mass and the acceleration quadruples the force. So, sa madaling salita, ang equation na force is equal to mass times acceleration ay nagpapakita ng relasyon sa pagitan ng force, mass at acceleration ng isang bagay. So next, Newton's third law. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. What does this mean? For every force acting on an object, there is an equal force acting in the opposite direction. Ibig sabihin nun, sa kada gagawin mo, mayroong katumbas na parehas pabalik. Right now, gravity is pulling you down in your seat, but Newton's third law says your seat is pushing up against you with equal force. This is why you are not moving. There is a balance force acting on you. Gravity pulling down, your seat pushing up. So, for example, yung mga fish, diba, nag-exert sila ng backward force dun sa water. And then, yung water naman, nag-exert siya ng forward force sa fish. So, parehas yung amount ng force na ine-exert nilang dalawa, pero magkaiba lang yung direction. Isa pang example is yung mga birds. Kapag sila lumilipad, yung mga wings ng bird, diba, nagfa-flap siya downward. Mayroon siyang downward motion. Yung downward motion na yon, nag-e-exert siya ng downward force sa air molecules. And then, yung air molecules naman, nag-e-exert naman siya ng upward force dun sa wings ng bird. Kaya siya nakakalipad. Last na example is yung halimbawa, niyan, sinuntok mo yung pader. Pag sinuntok mo yung pader, masasaktan ka rin. Kasi, ibig sabihin, kung gaano mo siya kalakas sinuntok, yung naramdaman ng pader, yun din yung mararamdaman mo force. Kaya nasasaktan ka din. Kasi, nung sinuntok mo yung pader, nag-exert ka ng force. Ngayon, yung pader, nag-exert din ng force papunta sa'yo, na same amount din. Same amount din dun sa binigay mo sa kanya. So, ibig sabihin, equal and opposite reaction. Equal kasi parehas yung force na binibigay, and then opposite kasi pabalik sa'yo. So we have 3 Newton's law of motion. Newton's first law, law of inertia. Objects in motion tend to stay in motion and objects at rest tend to stay at rest unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. Newton's second law, law of acceleration. Force equals mass times acceleration, or F is equal to m times a. And last, Newton's third law, law of interaction. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. So those are the 3 laws of motion. Again, we have law of inertia, law of acceleration, and law of interaction.
So, let's proceed to the vocabulary. Inertia, the tendency of an object to resist changes in its state of motion. Acceleration, a change in velocity, a measurement of how quickly an object is changing speed and direction. Velocity, a rate of change of a position along a straight line with respect of time. Force, push or pull of strength or energy.